From the beginning of his campaign for the US presidency, Donald Trump has defied almost the entire US foreign policy establishment, expressing hope of a better relationship with the Russian president. His desire runs counter to the realities of the US-Russia relationship. Washington has imposed sanctions over Russia's annexation of Crimea and its actions in eastern Ukraine. The US is also on the opposite side in the Syrian civil war, and US intelligence agencies have concluded that Russia interfered in the 2016 presidential election. But often, US President Trump sweeps these differences aside, suggesting instead that a better personal relationship with Vladimir Putin could solve many of the problems between the two former Cold War foes.
He's not my enemy. Is he a friend? No, I don't know him well enough. But the couple of times that I've gotten to meet him, we got along very well.
The fact that US President Trump said these words at a NATO summit while criticizing his allies for lack of defense spending has led to a bout of global collective head-scratching. Why, when it comes to Putin, many ask, does Trump seem to give him a pass? Political opponents point to Trump's business links with Russia dating back a decade. The 2013 Miss Universe pageant held in Moscow, which Trump owned, and plans for a Trump Tower in Moscow, as well as a significant flow of Russian money through his real estate empire. Then there is the Mueller investigation into potential ties between the Trump campaign and Russians who wanted to prevent Hillary Clinton from winning the 2016 race. That probe continues and is a cloud hanging over the Trump presidency. And on the eve of the Helsinki summit, fears are that Trump's desire for a stronger personal relationship with Putin could lead to concessions to Moscow that run counter to US interests. And recently, in characteristic Trump fashion, the US president mocked his critics.
Will President Trump be prepared? You know, President Putin is KGB and this and that. You know what? Putin's fine. He's fine. We're all fine. We're people. Will I be prepared? Totally prepared. I've been preparing for this stuff my whole life.
Nathan King, CGTN,